If you want to know how to edit a Lucidchart template, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to open a template, customize the text, edit shapes and elements, and adjust connector lines so your diagram looks exactly the way you want it. This is perfect for flowcharts, org charts, process maps, and any template you want to make your own. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Lucidchart and go to your homepage or dashboard. Once you're there, look to the top left corner and click the plus new button. Hover over Lucidchart and then choose Create from Template. This will bring up Lucidchart's template library, where you can browse popular diagram types or search directly for the exact template you need. If you already know what you want, use the search bar to find a specific template faster. You can also scroll through the categories and click on a thumbnail to preview it before you open it. That preview step is really helpful because it lets you check the layout, style, and structure before you commit. Once you find the template you want, click Use Template to open it in the editor. Now that your template is open, the next step is customizing the text. This is usually the easiest and most important part of editing a Lucidchart template. If the text is inside a shape, simply double-click the shape and highlight the existing wording, then type in your own text to replace it. If you have free-floating text boxes, double-click the text directly and edit it the same way. You can also move text around if needed. Just click and drag it to a new position on the canvas. If the font, size, color, or alignment doesn't match your design, use the formatting bar at the top to make it look better. This is where you can quickly clean up the template and make it feel like your own custom diagram instead of a default layout. Next, let's edit the shapes and other elements in the template. If a shape is too large or too small, click on it and use the blue corner handles to resize it. If you want to reposition something, click and hold, then drag it to the right place on the canvas. This is especially useful when you're adjusting spacing or trying to make the diagram more balanced. If there's a shape you don't need, just select it and press delete or the backspace on your keyboard. Removing unnecessary pieces can make your diagram much cleaner and easier to understand. And if you need to add something new, go to the shape library on the left side of the screen and drag the shape you want onto the canvas. You can build on the template instead of just replacing it, which gives you a lot more flexibility. Now let's talk about connector lines and arrows, because those are a big part of most Lucidchart templates. If you want to edit an existing line, click it once to select it. Then use the formatting bar to change the line style, color, or thickness. This is great if you want a cleaner look or you need to match your brand colors. If you need to create a new connection between shapes, hover over an existing shape until you see the purple dot. Click and drag from that dot to the next shape you want to connect. That's the fastest way to build or extend your diagram while keeping everything properly linked. As you make changes, take a moment to zoom out and review the whole diagram. Make sure the text is readable, the spacing looks good, and the connectors make sense. A few small adjustments can make a huge difference in how professional the final template looks. And that's it. You now know how to edit a Lucidchart template from start to finish. You learned how to open a template, customize the text, adjust shapes, and modify connector lines so you can turn any template into your own polished diagram. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.